Hello, today we're working on problems 13 and 14. Problem 15 actually uses a different law, and so we are not going to do that one tonight, so we'll just do 13 and 14. For problem 13, first, we can write down what we have. So we have angle A, we have angle B, we have side A, and we're looking for the rest. So we can say for angle C, it's going to be that 180 minus 48 minus 41, and that will equal 91. So angle C is 91 degrees. Then we're going to use our law of sines to solve side B and side C. So we'll have sine of 41 over 23 equals the sine of 48 over B. When we cross multiply and then divide, we'll have B equals 23 sine 48 over sine 41. And that's going to equal right about 26. Next, we'll do our sine of 41 over 23 equals sine of 91 over C. Again, cross multiplication, divide to get C by itself. We have C equals 23 sine 91 over sine 41. And that should equal just about 35. And so you have now solved problem 13. Problem 14, they gave us angle B and angle C, and they also gave us side A. Now normally we would say, well, we have no matching side and angle, so we can't do this, but we can solve for angle A. 180 minus 127 minus 25 equals 28. Now we can use that law of sines to solve for B and C. Again, cross multiplication, divide by the sine 28, and so we'll have 10 sine 127 over sine 28, and that equals just about 17. We'll do the same thing for side C. And that that comes out to just about 9. And now you've solved problem 14. Again, a reminder, we are not doing problem 15 tonight. If you have any questions on 13 or 14 or law of sines, please reach out. Otherwise, have a good night.